I've always had an interest in science from being a young kid, and then I guess I went to university to do maths. And for a lot of time, I was concentrating on doing processing of sound in some way, so speech recognition or noise cancellation, and computer programming around that. And then musically as well, I guess I started off as a sort of very heavy metal person, and I achieved my dream of going to see Guns N' Roses finally last month. But then I sort of went to South America for a couple of years doing some voluntary work out there, and picked up an instrument called a charango. And so since then I've become a bit more folky, and putting all these together, and now with electronical instruments and stuff you can get on the PC, that's now sort of shaped the sound that I have for singing science. When I worked at the Department of Plant Sciences, there was a little plant that gets used in a lot of their work called the Arabidopsis thaliana. And what kicked off the project, I would say, was kind of writing a song about how, the hardworking Arabidopsis thaliana is sort of not known by the general public. And so I kind of wrote this sort of metaphorical song. But that's kind of spurred on a idea of, okay, actually I feel enthusiastic enough about science and its ideas to try and capture them in a musical way. RAREfest, there's this Genomics the Musical show, and the idea is it goes through the basics of genetics and variations and things like that in a light-hearted comedy musical manner. So it's a sort of edutainment show. And for RAREfest, I'll be doing that on the Saturday morning, and also gearing it towards some of the things that might impact the rare disease community as well. Many people interested in this area attending RAREfest will not necessarily have a genetics background, and this is aimed at them, but it's also entertaining for hopefully entertaining for all peoples. And that should be a very good starting point. If you haven't got that genetics background, it'll hopefully make you understand the talks that go on later a bit better.